In today's video, I'll show you on how you can copy, paste, and duplicate in Onshape CAD. Basically, I have a pre-made shape right here that I'm going to use as an example. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the ports option or the ports category. And from here, if you click on it, it will then highlight all of your port or all of your shape. Basically, you want to click on a specific port that you want to copy or duplicate, and from here you then want to right click on it and click on copy here. It will then basically duplicate the same port. So in my case, I'm just going to move this right here, and basically from there we have successfully copied the shape that we want to duplicate. Let's go ahead and do the same thing again and move it to the side. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.